So in this lecture, I will go you through the installation of Python. So if you already have Python installed in your system, you can skip, or if you know how to install it, also you can skip. So basically, I am on a website of Python, that is python.org. You can go to the download section. Here you will find download for Windows, Mac or other platform as well. So it will show the latest version and you can check depending on your OS which version is suited for your system. So if you are using a Windows 10 or latest version of Windows, you can go for latest version of the Python. So already I have downloaded this new version. So we'll go to this my folder. So here is the setup. So simply you can click and start the setup. It will start. So it will show install now. Also you can choose this add Python to the path and install now. So it will start the installation. So we will be using Python as well as some other development environments which are commonly used for Python like Anaconda, mainly Anaconda we will also use. So in some cases we will use actual Python environment. We need for some programs like creating some animation or in some cases other environment does not work. So till it installs, I will show some other environments for the Python. So you can use these environments to run the Python codes like PyCharm. There is a Spider, Visual Studio Code, PyDev, Anaconda that we will use mostly. Then Sublime Text. This is also very good. The This is a text editor. You can type the program and run by using some setting. So mainly we will focus on Anaconda. So we will wait till our installation completes. So in this Python has its environment where you will find a text editor. We can type our program in that and save and run through the Python. And also I will show how to install the libraries which will be required in our regular programming. So I will close. Once it is installed, you can go to here in search bar. You can search IDLE. So it will show me the IDLE that is for Python. You can just open it. So this is a Python shell. Here you can type like let's say I am creating one variable called A. Let's say A is equal to 2. Then next line it entering b is equal to 3 and if I enter it will go to next line a plus b, let's say it will give me the output. So this is a quick one. So instead of that you can go like Python new file and here it will go you take you to the text editor. Here you can type let's say a is equal to 2, then b is equal to 3. I will create one more variable called c, let's say is equal to a plus b and I will write some command. Let's say I want to print the output of C, let's say, and here first you have to save the program, then you can give the some name, let's say my program. So by default it will take this location. You can change the location and it you have option to choose the type of the file. So Python files will have extension of .py. So if you are using some different text editor, if you want to use Python file for the saving, you can use .py extension. So by default, it will use .py if you choose this file. So save and you can run from here. Go to the run module, or you can press F5. Then it will take you to the shell, original shell, and it will uh, show your output in the shell. So I also have different editor, like let's say Sublime Text. You also try this. This is a very good. So let's say I use new file here. First I will save by using Control S. So let's say I will go to the desktop and I will show you as my program. So here you have to use .py. So here you can type A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to A plus B, and print C. So this is very good text editor you can try, and to run the program use Control plus B and it will show the output. So it is not compulsory to use this, but you can try. And this is about installation of Python, and next lecture we'll see the how to install Anaconda. And till now you can do some practice of